You searched how to buy shares of Humacyte Inc., a biotech company developing bioengineered human acellular vessels. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker HUMA. This guide is educational and not financial advice. To buy HUMA, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and then add funds to your balance. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HUMA to find the listing. Make sure you select the Humacyte Inc. entry that shows NASDAQ as the exchange. On the Humacyte stock page, you'll see basic company information and a price chart to review recent performance. Confirm the company name, ticker HUMA, and NASDAQ listing before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order will queue until trading opens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new HUMA position will appear in your portfolio once the order executes. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same example.